what is destined for us. Keep on shooting, I snatch you up, call me boss. Got the blade in the trunk, now they looking for us. Hide the spaceship and switch to a Ford Taurus. I do not mess around with mediocre. I pull up in our bag and ain't playing poker. Drink out the glass if it's Coca-Cola. When I'm out in Atlanta, you know we rollin'. Undertaker in a paddy wagon. Lethal injection, I body bag 'em. I been fed up like I really had it. Pat my homes with the cannon like it was Madden. Get to my spot, ain't nobody guarding. Run your mouth, I reply like I beg your pardon. Thing first for your name tarnish. I'ma cross step back, James Harden. Act like I came off the bench, dog. Triple double, now I see you bend, dog. I do not ever use pen, dog. Let it drip off the top at the space bar. Coach it like Jewish, I can't haul. Shout out my aces and Crenshaw. Showing my love for the West, y'all. I keep it smooth, but don't test, dog.
Joey, look, the South got something to say. I'm from the country like home on the range. You don't want smoke, then don't get in my way. They say, look, Dilly, these rappers want beef. Don't have a count, man, it's all in a day. I'm Jimmy Fallon, I work every night. Locked in the studio, been here for days. Yeah. I left the label, they thought that I flopped. Now they see me on the way to the top. How much a feature? I told them a lot. Don't need the cash, but you know I'm so passionate. I had to fast a bit, I had to stop. I caught the lateral, I didn't stop. Yeah. Touchdown, got with the block.
Look, my stats getting bigger and bigger. Look, I shoot the J like I'm Jigger. Y'all said he worried about y'all figure. I'm worried about getting figures. Y'all feeling yourself, that's a quick fix. I inspire y'all boys to begin with. So please, homie, don't get it twisted. Cause I set the table like picnics. Y'all ain't got hard, I've been Baptist since I was in diapers. And I'm about to pipe up like, ooh. Y'all in my way, I like Ray Charles' eyelids. Cause I swear that y'all just be blocking my view. When y'all gon' stop buying comments and followers acting like y'all is the men of the truth. When y'all gon' stop trying to book me for shows. When y'all ain't got the money, man, y'all just some fools. Give me the play, I'm like 10-4. I'm leading the game, it's like 10-4. My favorite scripture, Proverbs 10-4. I sow now, I'm reaping like 10-4. But I can't do this on my own. Yeah, need Christ on a daily for sure. Without on my life is too limited. Can't settle for Brown, I want gold. Look.
Ay, don't you test the kid. Chosen, don't you question it. And y'all unsure like estimate. But you shoulda knew like Testament. New Testament. Ay, pick a lane, but don't pick mine. That's lame. Peace out to the past, I've been insane. But I just might snap. Take it to the end game, hold up, big glove. Try to defuse me, I'ma still blow up. Can't get knee deep, I'ma split wave. Light skin Bruce Lee, how I kick game. Y'all don't even wanna play, y'all don't wanna play. What's close to me? I do a verse and a hook like dosing me. Unmatched notebook, Ryan Gosling. I feel way too dope, that's dopamine. Okay, you owe me, go ahead and give me. This automatic, I feel like a semi. I did them shows and I won't earn a penny. Now they like, whoa, I feel like Kenny. I feel like this is a brand new beginning. Came from them souls and I picked up them Benjis. Two for the Uno. Dining like Denny's, don't pass the sauce. Boy, I got plenty.